moving to Canada now.
Yes, I'm taking
With
her.
Irene.
I'm taking her home.
She's not going anywhere. Are you kidding me? Look at Irene.
We'll see about that. Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am at WPPI, and today I decided to steal Manny's wife, Diana. Manny is actually filming the video for me today, so he's behind the camera. And yeah, I'm friends with Manny. I've always seen him take beautiful pictures of Diana, and so I've always wanted to take pictures of her myself. So today finally we're doing that, hopefully not the last time, first and not the last time that we're doing this. So another cool thing that we're doing today is we're just shooting around the hotel. So whatever cool spot we're gonna find today, we're just gonna stop and shoot at it. And yeah, this is gonna be our first location here. I just looked for some cool greenery, and yeah, let's get it going. So I'm actually thinking, I really like these vines, and I always like to put the model in with the nature, so you can just kind of make yourself comfortable here. You can pose with this thing, like with your hands. You can just do this kind of stuff. Too bad there's no flowers, because usually I get the models to sniff the flower, but you're just gonna have to pet the nature. Yes.
Like this?
Yeah, that's really cool. Actually, also, yeah, I don't have my step ladder with me, but I'm thinking if I want to get a high angle, you could probably just climb up here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, wow. Yes. So, yeah, keep this hand a little bit closer. Yeah. Yeah. And look at me here. Yes. Ooh, right there. That's beautiful. What if you grab kind of this whole vine a little bit lower? Or you know what? Or do it like this. You grab this a little bit higher. Yeah. It kind of will almost
Frame me?
Yeah. Get it even closer to your face. Yes. Or almost like this. Yes. Yes. That's gorgeous. And eyes at me here, so do that and just eyes at me. I like a lot of eye contact. I know that Manny likes looking to the side.
He always wants me to take a nap.
I'm the opposite. I love eye contact. Yes. Yeah, so let's put that down. Yeah. I actually kind of liked how you just did that. Yeah, yes. No, yeah. Yes, exactly. Wow, that's gorgeous. Maybe you sit right here, behind this. Yeah.
Gotta hide from.
So
Manny,
you'll be this way.
Facing this way?
Yeah, because I'm gonna be shooting from this side. Oh, sorry. And then, so you can do stuff like this with your legs elongated towards me.
Okay.
If you put the knee here, it's gonna cover everything, and you can also use the dress to cover it. Because when you do something like that, then you could do something like this, or like this, very dreamy.
Alrighty.
Can we do no shoes here? Is that okay? So keep that, but maybe let's do something else with the other hand. With both of these hands. Yeah, maybe you just hold it like this or something.
Wait, keep this though?
No. That's what I want to change. Let's just do a different pose. Or you know what? What if you don't leave that alone? And yeah, you can. Ooh. That's really cool. You can put that behind you, honestly, because just this one. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, stay like that. Stay. I really love that pose. Oh wow. Yes. Keep your hand like even this way. Yes, 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 yes. So we just moved to a second location, and it's literally in the middle of like a driveway, but no cars really go through here. But it's so perfect with the sun giving us really beautiful backlit light, and then we have all of these palm trees. I really love their color too, because they're like almost silver, like a silver green color. They look really beautiful. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. So I'm still using my 85 here. And I love that there's so many different palm trees in the foreground, in the background. They're creating this crazy 3D effect. And each of the branches is like backlit by the sun. So it's really, really beautiful here. Look at the camera, give me your eyes. Yes, yes. So one more thing is that there's more light coming through this side. So I would say you can even like look at, yeah. Yeah. You're standing this side. What if you like push it down?
Okay.
Like this, and kind of give me something like this, or even like something like that, you know? Think like, you know, exaggerated, like I want to see a lot of like curve. Oh yes, yes. Wow, yes, that pose is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes, I love this pose. Okay, it's not. Yeah. Yes, Diana, that's gorgeous. Wow. What? Let's stand literally on the street. Yeah, right there. Oh, that's gorgeous.
This side or this side?
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Yes. Just like that. Wow. That's amazing. The only thing is that here I'm getting like a little bit of the driveway, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. I can edit it out a little bit, I think. Yes. So we just finished our photo shoot. Thank you so much, Diana, for doing this for me. Yeah. She of course did amazing. So definitely check her out. I will leave Diana's Instagram in the description.
Thank you.
And then, you know, Manny, maybe I'll leave his YouTube as well, because he like filmed the whole video for us.
Yeah. I'm actually moving to Canada now.
Yes, I'm taking her.
Irene.
I'm taking her home.
Manny's me. He doesn't think it's funny. It's a little funny, no?
But yeah, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I wish you were recording her.
She's not going anywhere. Are you kidding me? Look at Irene.
We'll see about that. We'll see about that.
We'll fight right now. We'll fight right now.
Who do you think is gonna take who?